Welcome to our review of the TPV 15.6-inch laptop featuring an Intel Core i5 processor for smooth performance. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring fast multitasking and quick data access. The vibrant 15.6-inch FHD display offers 100% sRGB color gamut and IPS technology for wide viewing angles. Connectivity options include USB Type-A, USB-C, Mini HDMI, and a micro SD card slot for versatile use. Running Windows 11 Pro, this laptop provides a seamless and productive user experience. Its 5000 mAh battery supports long-lasting use, ideal for work or entertainment on the go. Plus, it includes the latest MS Office 2024 pre-installed to boost your productivity right out of the box. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.